Hello everyone, my name is Morgan Zhang from Moldex3D EMEA team. Today I'm going to talk about how to set up and use the multiple time step in Moldex3D. First of all, we need to go to competition parameter and then set up our desired time step in each fitting and packing analysis. Basically, if we don't have any idea, we can just set up 10 sessions in each analysis. And if we would like to research about some specific time moment, for example, we would like to know the shear heating effect around the gate region in the earlier fitting stage, so we can add more time sessions around this specific time. As for the cooling, if we run the cooling analysis by using Change and Cool, we will suggest to set up at least 5 sessions for the cooling analysis, so that we can know more about the temperature change in the cooling analysis along the time. For these 2 fitting and packing sessions, which are correspond to our fitting packing setting before, the system will transfer the temperature data with cooling software according to each time sessions. So the temperature distribution of fitting and packing analysis will be more accurate by adding more time sessions. After setting up the multiple time step and after the calculation, we can see the multiple time step result in each analysis. For example, if we would like to see the pressure distribution inside of the cavity with the time change, all we have to do is to right-click the packing analysis and then choose our desired time step. The system will change the result at the current time step. And we can also combine using another tool to evaluate the current result inside of the cavity, just like this. And there is one more tip in our system version. If we would like to see the result item at the specific node along the time change, we can use select function to select our desired location. And then take up this option, show multiple time steps. The system will show the XY curve according to this result item. And we can also switch to another result, like temperature. So we can see the temperature result at this node with time change. Since this curve is based on our time step, if we add more time step before the calculation, the curve will be more smoothly. So this is today's introduction about using multiple time step. Thank you for your watching. If there is any question, you are welcome to send us the email. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. We will update more useful video about Moldex3D on this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.